Considering one of the aspects of sustainable EDU framework policy architecture is the promotion of partnerships to help the development of the projects, and the workshop is a tool to make it more easy to understand what are the models, what are the possibilities to promote partnerships. One of the sessions of the workshop, of the accelerator workshop, is to discuss the partnership models and how it can be developed and created in the framework of any project or any initiative. Following the knowledge we have from different governments or different initiatives, we see many models to promote partnerships. Here we identify 4 of them. One is the public-private partnerships, the PPPs. This is a very well-known model to promote partnerships between governments and the private sector and engaging different stakeholders. The other one is strategic cooperation. Sometimes people call PPPs and strategic cooperation or other models like the same, but they are very different. Strategic cooperation doesn't necessarily involve any kind of tender, any kind of procurement. Is more or less a platform or a definition of a strategy, of a pipeline to allow a private sector to invest or other stakeholders to invest in a project, but there is no relation with any procurement system. The other is legal frameworks. The governments can create legal frameworks which allow investments or participation, also without necessarily talk about any kind of procurement or tenders. And here, as a last example, we talk about investment programs. Sometimes investment programs, they are open, they are a definition of a strategy and allocation of budget, but not necessarily a procurement. Then there are many other possibilities on partnership models, but partnership models is something which is sometimes a very technical theme. What we want to discuss is what kind of partnership models will be adjust or adequate for one specific project or one specific country, and to share some information on the different possibilities to be able to define a program for any project we are focused on. Then the idea of this session is to have 4 teams, and the participants will focus on one of the teams, a PP law or any kind of regulation related to the public-private partnership in the country, or focus on one investment programs and to discuss and prepare a presentation or a paper how it can apply to the development of an education ICT project in that community, in that country. Another interesting activity will be to focus in one of the multinational companies and to see how to develop a strategic collaboration, a strategic cooperation, or piloting any solution from the company in a specific project. That is mainly the two activities, but there are other possibilities we will develop when we discuss each of the teams. Just a final note on this webcast. This webcast is part of an accelerator workshop as a pillar of Sustainable EDU Policy Framework Architecture, a program to support the design and implementation of ICT education projects. Please feel free to visit the website of the program. The link is below in this slide, or contact us by email. It will be a pleasure and an honor to contact to get your feedback and even to establish a partnership to support any ICT education project. Thank you.